was born a little baby on the Appalachian Trail. At 6 months old, he'd done 3 months in jail. He robbed the bank in his diapers and his little bare baby feet. All he said was, "Folks, my name is Outlaw Pete. I'm Outlaw Pete, I'm Outlaw Pete. Can you hear me?" At 25, a Mustang pony heated steel, and it rolled her round and round on heaven's wheel. Father Jesus, I'm an outlaw, killer, and a thief, and I slowed down only to sow my grief. I'm Outlaw Pete, I'm Outlaw Pete. Can you hear me? He cut his trail of tears across the countryside, and where he went, women wept and men died. One night he awoke from a vision of his own death, saddled his pony and rode her deep into the west. Married a Navajo girl and settled down on the rest. And as the snow fell, he held that beautiful daughter to his chest. I'm Outlaw Pete, I'm Outlaw Pete. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Out of the east, on an Irish stallion came bounty hunter Dan. His heart quickened and burdened by the need to get his man. He found Pete peacefully fishing by the river, pulled his gun and got the drop. He said, "Pete, you think you've changed, but you have not." He cocked his pistol, pulled the trigger, and shouted, "Let it stop." Pete drew a knife from his boot, threw it, and pierced Dan through the heart. Dan smiled as he lay